Hello, this is Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk about Shiba Inu price prediction today, and let's stay tuned. As you can see here, this is Shiba Inu on the 4-hourly chart. Basically, if you have seen the 4-hourly chart, it's actually doing very okay today. You can see a huge reversal pattern from downtrend all the way to uptrend. So it's heading over to this 0.9 area, and right now the price is around 0.88 area. So whether or not the Shiba will have a continuity of uptrend, it must first break through this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, how do I put this Fibonacci retracement? It's very simple. I just drag it from here to here, the lowest here, and you can see that the Fibonacci line of this 0.618 and the 0.786 falls around this area. This is one of the resistance zone that Shiba Inu need to break through. So what we want to wait is we want to see whether or not the market, the bulls market, have enough momentum to push all the way up, closing above this 0.93 area, not later in the evening or maybe this week. Let's say if the market managed to just close above this area, most likely you will see that the Shiba will have a possibility of recovering all the way up to this 0.1 area by minus of one more zero. And why is it am I so bullish on Shiba, and why is it Shiba is moving towards the uptrend? And one of the great news today and the latest news today in Shiba Inu is the Shopping IO is very excited to announce that starting today, SHIB holders will be able to spend their tokens on Shopping IO, which is a platform, and purchase on Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. So definitely it's one of the great news. Basically right now you can just go to Shopping IO and just purchase anything that you want by using SHIB Token, which is a great news. Basically there will be more demand, therefore the price will get higher and higher. So definitely this is one of the great news today for Shiba, and you can see that Shiba right now is doing very good on the 4-hourly chart. But looking at the day one, technically it hasn't really confirmed yet that it's a bullish uptrend. That's what I stated earlier, because looking at the daily chart right now, it doesn't seem to have any of bullish pattern. So looking at here right now, yes, even though you see this is a bullish engulfing, this red candlestick and this green candlestick is showing a reversal pattern, but this candlestick haven't closed yet. So what we need to wait for is hopefully tomorrow this candlestick just close above this red candlestick. If let's say it closes, then it shows that it has a strong bullish engulfing. Okay, let's say if it does happen to have a bullish engulfing, what is going to happen is you will try to just close above this area and try to break above this area. And if it doesn't, let's say if it doesn't just close or it just floats around this area, then most likely you will see a rebound all the way back down to this area again. This is something that we need to take note technically wise based on the data itself. And let's say if it does close above this blue zone that I have mentioned before, it will just float around this area until it has a decision making whether to continue to search further up or you're going to plunge all the way back down again. So the best answer, the best scenario is we want to see this candlestick or maybe the next candlestick manage to just close above this area to have a better confirmation that Shiba will have a better confirmation of uptrend. Looking at here right now, yes, even though the moving average and the RSI, okay, let me put the RSI. The RSI, I believe that the RSI is also showing above 50. Okay, right now the RSI is 48 and it's going to move towards the 50. So meaning that if the candlestick just continue to go further up and manage to just break above this area and just close above this area, most likely you will see the moving average line 20 will be below the candlestick and the RSI is showing above 50 because it's going up, and the candlestick is showing a bullish engulfing. So there'll be 4 confirmation, which is the moving average line, the RSI, the bullish engulfing candlestick, and also the closing above the support and resistance line, which is the Fibonacci level. So let's say if it does have this 4 confirmation, then it will have a positive impact towards the Shiba going all the way up to this 0.1 area. Later this week or maybe in coming days, nobody knows, but we got to be monitoring from time to time and keep you guys updated on this Shiba Inu price prediction. But definitely right now, looking at the 4-hourly chart, definitely we can see that it's having a very strong uptrend. You can see that the candlestick has a reversal pattern all the way from here, going all the way up here, and then now it's just moving towards the resistance zone. So right now we're gonna see Shiba Inu will retest this 0.9 area, see whether or not the bulls have the higher momentum to push all the way up and close all the way up above this 0.786 area, which is the Fibonacci line. And if it does, then most likely you could see that the Shiba will just go all the way up to this 0.1 area. But looking at the coin market cap today, you can see that the Shiba is now having a very minimal market cap, which is just only 3.5 billion. So looking at 3.5 billion of market cap on Shiba Inu is actually undervalued. I understand that this is a meme coin. Meme coin shouldn't have a lot of market cap because it's just an empty shell. But basically Shiba Inu has something behind, which is the Shiba swap and also the NFT coming soon. So definitely Shiba is not just an empty shell. It has a technology behind it. It has a usage behind it. And based on this technology and also the project that they have, definitely 3.5 billion is one of the undervalued coin that I've seen in the whole overall market cap. Besides that, Shiba Inu is mostly influenced by the communities, okay, whereas the communities is very huge. I think Shiba has surpassed almost 500,000 of holders just holding Shiba. There's almost 500,000 in holding Shiba in their wallet is considered a lot, to be honest. So let's say if we manage to just close all the way up, okay, let's say I put it 20 over billion of market cap. 20 over billion is almost a multiply by 6, 7. So multiply by 6 or 7 from the current price, definitely you can gain much more profit in future. It might happen, it might not happen, but definitely I think 20 over billion of market cap is possible to achieve with such a huge community behind it. So looking at it, let's say if you have a calculator right here, okay, let's say if the price now is 0.88. Okay, let's say example, this is the price value, and you multiply by 7. Okay, let's say a 7. Okay, let me put it 7. So you can minus off like 10 with a 6. So it's 0.6 area. So yeah, if you ask me whether is it a good investment in Shiba Inu, definitely it's up to you to decide whether you want to invest on the high risk, high return meme coin, because always understand that meme coin will have higher risk with higher return compared to other cryptos that have huge project behind it, such as ADA, XRP, Matrix, and other coins that are listed in CoinMarketCap. So it's up to the investor preference, definitely. And if you are just meme fans or meme crypto fans, definitely Shiba Inu you can actually consider to re-enter the market. Or if you are new to crypto market, definitely if you want to invest in Shiba, it's strongly advisable. I mean, if you want to invest on meme coin, but let's say if you want to invest in other coin, there are tons of other coins out there are giving good projects with good futures. So I think it's really up to you for you to decide, and let me know down below if you think that Shiba Inu is still a good investment for a long-term holder. Okay, so I think that's all for today's episode. If you liked my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.